To be successful in the world of personal finance, it is essential to have a solid understanding of the dynamics of interest payments. There is a substantial influence that interest rates have on your financial health, regardless of whether you are saving money or borrowing it. One of the most important players in the banking market, Tandem Bank, provides a wide range of financial solutions with interest rates that are applicable to both borrowers and members of the savings community. In this video, we look into the complexities of interest payments linked with Tandem Bank. We investigate the bank's offers, rates, and how these factors influence the decisions you make regarding your finances. A digital challenger bank with its headquarters in the United Kingdom is known as Tandem Bank. The company was established in 2013 with the intention of delivering cutting-edge financial solutions that are centered on the consumer. Tandem, in contrast to conventional financial institutions, does all of its business online, providing services through its website and mobile application. Using this digital-first strategy makes it possible to expedite operations and offer pricing that are frequently competitive. Interest rates on savings accounts. There are several ways in which individuals interact with Tandem Bank, but one of the most common methods is through savings accounts. As is the case with all banks, Tandem provides customers with the opportunity to make returns on their money by offering interest on savings accounts. There are a number of factors that can influence the interest rates that Tandem provides for its savings accounts. These elements include the type of account that is being offered and the current market conditions. Tandem Bank is currently offering competitive interest rates on its savings products in an effort to attract consumers who are looking for a greater return on their savings in comparison to traditional brick-and-mortar banks. Tandem is able to pass on the cost savings to its customers in the form of higher interest rates since it maintains low overhead costs and operates digitally without additional expenses. Interest rates on borrowing. The customers of Tandem Bank have access to a variety of financial services, including savings accounts, borrowing facilities, and more. Tandem provides their customers with a variety of borrowing alternatives, including personal loans, credit cards, and other forms of credit, with interest rates that are customized to meet the specific needs of each individual. When customers borrow money from Tandem Bank, they are subject to interest charges that are determined by the amount of money borrowed and the terms that were agreed upon, respectively. These interest rates are subject to change based on a variety of factors, including the borrower's creditworthiness, the length of the loan, and the current market conditions. Before agreeing to any kind of borrowing agreement with Tandem Bank, it is absolutely necessary for borrowers to carefully go over the terms and conditions, which should include the interest rates. Calculating interest payments. When it comes to efficiently managing your finances, having a solid understanding of how interest payments are computed is essential. The computation is based on a similar premise regardless of whether you are earning interest on your savings or paying interest on a loan. In most cases, the interest on savings accounts is computed by taking into account both the current balance of the account and the interest rate that is relevant. There is a possibility that Tandem Bank will offer compound interest, which means that interest would be computed not only on the initial deposit, but also on the interest earned, resulting in exponential increase over the course of time. When it comes to borrowing money, the amount of interest that must be paid is based on the total amount that is still owed in addition to the interest rate that is set in the loan agreement. Different approaches, such as simple interest or compound interest, may be utilized by Tandem Bank in order to compute the interest on loans. These approaches are contingent upon the product and the terms of the loan. Impact on financial decisions. When it comes to making decisions regarding their finances, both savers and borrowers are significantly influenced by the interest rates that are provided by Tandem Bank. Higher interest rates on savings accounts can serve as an incentive for savers to deposit more money into the account, which ultimately results in increased returns over the course of time. On the other hand, borrowers might look for reductions in interest rates in order to reduce the overall cost of borrowing money and improve their ability to successfully manage their debt. It is also possible for swings in interest rates to have an effect on the economy as a whole, regardless of whether they are set by Tandem Bank or impacted by external variables such as the policies of the central bank. The interconnection of interest rates with broader economic trends is highlighted by the fact that changes in interest rates can have an effect on consumer spending, decisions regarding investments, and inflationary pressures. Tandem Bank's interest payments are an essential component of personal finance, as they have an impact on both individuals who save money and those who borrow money. Whether you want to increase the amount of money you have saved or finance a purchase, it is crucial to have a solid grasp of interest rates and how they influence the choices you make regarding your finances. Individuals have the opportunity to maximize their financial situation and accomplish their monetary objectives by taking advantage of the excellent interest rates offered by Tandem Bank on their savings accounts and borrowing products. Customers are able to negotiate the complexities of interest payments and build a healthier financial future for themselves if they remain informed and make proper use of the solutions that Tandem Bank provides.